Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and nature topics. If you find these videos helpful, please consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Today we're going to cover Mathematics in 6. The topic of this tutorial is a mixed bag of DP exam test questions, round 8. Question is volume. The question is included in the video. We have been asked to issue a cautionary note. When doing these questions, please use the method I'm going to show you, as this is the method that is marked correct. Using your own method to answer questions could cost you marks, even though your answer might be right. See the cautionary note at the beginning of the video. On a side note, watch until the end of the video. If you watch only the first 5 minutes, you will not gain a full understanding of what you need to do. There is no quick fix in mathematics. It takes persistence, discipline and repetition. You have to use these steps in order to succeed. Let's get straight into it. Now, our question states, sketch the graph of y is equal to 2e to the x. Now we've got to sketch this graph. So, what the graph will look like, in a nutshell, just draw a little bit bigger. In a nutshell, our graph will look like this. Now, what we're going to do, this is 2, that's 1, and that's obviously 0, -1 and so on. This is 0.1. Because when x is equal to 0, this will all equal 1. So, what we need to do now, between here and here, between 0 and 1, here's our representative strip. What they want us to do is to calculate the volume generated when the area bounded by the graph is the x-axis, the y-axis, and the line x is equal to 2. So x equals 2 is rotated about the x-axis. So they want the volume. So volume is pi, the integral of our limits, which is, if you paid attention, it's 2 and 0. So, and this will be y squared dx. So, pi, the integral of 2 and 0, that's 2e to the x dx, and square that. So, pi, 2 and 0, the integral of 2 and 0. So, 2 squared is 4, e to the x squared is e to the 2x. And it's still dx. Now we can integrate. So when we integrate, we go pi. Now we integrate 4 e to the 2x all over 2. 2 and 0. So we got pi times 2e to the 2x now that's 2 and 0, pi times 2e to the 2 times 2 minus 2e to the 2 times 0 Okay, let's go with it. This will be 2, because 0 times 2 is 0, e to the 0 is 1, so 1 times 2 is 2. So that'll be minus 2. This comes out to, and you put it all together, I'm going to move up here. This here is 2e to the 4 to the power 4. So it's pi times 2e to the power 4 minus 2. So now what this will be is equal to 107, 196 pi. And that is the volume. So now we're going to keep this in mind. We're going to keep this in mind. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm and to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. I enjoy reading your comments. Please use the comments section to let me know what topics you would like me to cover in upcoming videos. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.